At Paramount Tool Company, we specialize in designing and building custom automated solutions to optimize manufacturing processes, like this automated saw, punch, drill, and pack machine. This system is designed to handle high-volume production with minimal operator input. Raw extrusions are loaded, and the machine takes care of the rest, automatically cutting, punching, drilling, and packaging each part. The saw station precisely cuts each part to the required length while ensuring a clean, accurate finish. A fully automated punch station then adds custom features like slots, holes, and notches, all according to the part's design specifications. The robot then organizes the finished parts onto a pack-out cart, automatically optimizing the stack for efficient handling and packaging. This machine is just one example of how Paramount Tool Company creates custom automation solutions to help manufacturers reduce labor, increase throughput, and improve product consistency. Whether you need a one-of-a-kind machine like this or a fully automated production line, Paramount Tool Company has the expertise to bring your vision to life.